If your Lexus GX is refusing to launch Apple CarPlay, don't head to the dealership just yet. Over 70% of connection failures are caused by simple software glitches or worn-out cables. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your maps and music back on the screen. Start by performing a hard reset on both your iPhone and the Lexus infotainment system. If software isn't the issue, check your hardware for lint or uncertified cables. Verify that CarPlay is actually enabled within the Lexus Inform Setup menu. Keep in mind that older GX models require a physical cable, while newer ones use a wireless handshake. Replacing a worn-out cable solves nearly half of all reported CarPlay connection issues. If all else fails, reset your phone's network settings and clear the car's device list. Always keep a fresh, original Apple cable in your glove box for troubleshooting. Safety first, make sure you are parked and the brake is set before diving into system menus. With these steps, your Lexus GX should be back online. Hit subscribe for more tech playbooks.